sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm so glad you stopped by today. So in today's video, I am in my home office and I am just getting everything cleaned up, getting some things decluttered that are around the room just sitting on the floor. And then we have a fun DIY that I'm going to do and share with you later on in the video. So if you're ready, let's get started. So this box that I'm going through right now just has a lot of keepsakes in it. This is a picture of my parents. There's some family photos. There's some things from when my dad passed away that I keep in there. Things like that. So I'm just going to put, that's a photo album of our granddaughter's first Christmas. So just going to put all that back in there for right now and then shove it against the wall. I'm going to get to all of this later. A lot of this stuff will go into the filing cabinet that I bought. Once we do the DIY, then I can start getting that stuff organized. But don't worry, I won't bore you with that in this video. So anyway, we'll get back to it. For now, I'm just going to move the filing cabinet over here next to the desk. That's where it's going to go, but we'll have to pull it back out so we can change it up a little bit because black just doesn't match with the rest of the decor. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead, get the trash emptied, clean up my desk, things like that. It needs a good dusting. I don't think I've done this in a while. So we'll do that, and then we'll move to the other side of the room and get that side cleaned up.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise.
So if you're new here, my name's Lori, or most people call me LJ, and I live in West Georgia with my husband Kent. Between us we have 3 adult children, and we have 1 granddaughter who is 4 years old. And I still currently work outside the home. I have a full-time job. I'm in the staffing industry. So I work part-time from home, and I'm out in the field part-time, and then of course I do YouTube. So that's why I have 2 different desks, because I need to keep my work stuff separate from my personal. So right now I'm cleaning my personal desk. This is where I edit my videos and stuff. So we are almost done here, and then we'll start working on the filing cabinet DIY.
It's hard to stay real in a world full of fakes. It's hard to find truth when the liars are great. I'm trying my best to stay out of your way. Oh well, oh well. You talk a big talk, but got nothing to say. You hold your head high, but your morals to fade. I know you feel cool, but your bubble will break. Oh well, oh well. You can walk into a room, and every fool will try to be like you. But I'm not gonna sell my soul just to be someone you wanna know. Who you like is out of my control. I'm okay being me. I'm not gonna change myself just to make you fall under some spell. Rather be alone than be a shell. I'm okay being me. You say you don't judge and your friends all agree. They see you for you, but they don't see what I see. A narcissistic personality. Oh well. You think the world is yours. You think it spins for you. You think you deserve more than every other fool.
Okay, so now we're going to get started on changing up this filing cabinet. I bought this at Walmart a couple weekends ago, and I knew I didn't want it to be black, but I contemplated spray painting it first, and then decided that since the weather's unpredictable in Georgia this time of year, I would just try doing contact paper over it. So I ordered a couple rolls of this contact paper from Amazon. It's white, but it has kind of like a wood grain in it. It's really pretty, and it was really easy to work with. So first I cleaned it with alcohol, because they say that if you clean the surface with alcohol, it will help it adhere better. So I did that, and now I'm just going to start from one side and work my way to the other side, and just take one long strip all the way around. So I'm starting at the very bottom and lining it up, because I needed to have some extra on the edge so I could fold it around the front. So I just got that started, and then I took my little scraper, and which this is actually for wallpaper. I think I bought that at maybe Walmart or Home Depot, I can't remember. But anyway, you just have to go nice and slow to make sure that you don't have any air bubbles or creases. And I'll be honest, it turned out really good, but it is a DIY project, so there will be some imperfections, but that's okay. I mean, it's just for me in my office, and I'm the only one that's really going to look at it, except for you guys on videos. So we'll just work our way up through. I also have my hair dryer handy, so when you get to certain areas, especially when you're trying to get a really tight corner to, so it has a sharp edge, if you take the hair dryer to it, it'll kind of soften the peel and stick contact paper and help it go around those edges a lot smoother. So you probably noticed that I went from having pants and a sweater on to now I have shorts on. That's what I was talking about, how the weather changes around here. So we were having like cooler temperatures, and then we started having temperatures up in the 70s. And now, as of today, when I'm doing this voiceover, we're back down into like the 40s and 50s and rain. So you never know what the weather's going to be like, but I get hot really easy. I don't know if it's from my thyroid or from postmenopause, but whatever it is, I get hot really, really, really easy. So I did switch from pants and a sweater to a pair of shorts. I also had taken a break for a while, and you'll notice all of my roots are gone. So I did a color job, root touch up on this day as well. So it felt really good to get rid of the dark roots and the gray.
It's been raining for days now, been running like a child. Can't feel the cold. Well, I'm lost here with you, lost in the woods, lost as I should. Barely see the sky now, we're safe under the trees. You tell me about your secrets, and I'm falling madly. You'll catch me right. I'll be alright. It's all that matters, really, as long as you be as crazy. Shadows will guide us where we've never been before. Once in a while I act like no one knows me, while biking with my eyelids closed. Yeah, my fault, I think I like it, I don't so. Once in a while I act like no one knows me, while biking with my eyelids closed. Nothing that I change about this moment forevermore. Now when I'm looking back, I was hopelessly hoping for you to pull me back somewhere I don't belong without goodbyes. Made up my mind. It's all that matters, really, as long as you stay crazy. Shadows will guide us where we've never been before. Once in a while I act like no one knows me, while biking with my eyelids closed. Yeah, my fault, and I think I like it, I don't so. Once in a while I act like no one knows me, while biking with my eyelids closed. Nothing that I change about this moment forevermore.
And here is the finished product. So I think it looks so much better. I did order some legs that I'm going to be putting on the bottom of it. I just have to, they came in, I ordered them off of Amazon, and I just have to stain them. So in my next video, I'll show you that so you can see what it looks like once the legs are on the bottom of it. And now I'm just finally updating my calendar for February. And there's my shadow, Taz. Follows me everywhere I go and is always wanting my attention. I picked up this little desk organizer so I would have some stuff over here on this desk to put like my pens and stuff, just to organize things. It's kind of a small desk, so you don't have a lot of room for stuff. And I'm a clutter bug. Just ask my husband, he'll tell you. Okay guys, we have made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a heart down in the comments in honor of Valentine's Day. I hope you guys get to spend yours with someone special. If you enjoyed the video today, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, and that way you'll be notified each time I put another video up. I hope you all have a great week. Thank you so much again for being here. I'll see you soon.